Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can cancel your Dropbox subscription. So, without further ado, let's begin. First thing that we need to do is to log in on our Dropbox account, and then from the home page, we're going to click on our profile right here on the top right, and then we're going to go on upgrade your plan. From here, as for my account, I am only on trial, so we're simply going to click on cancel trial. And then we're going to pick the reason why we're canceling our trial or our subscription, and then click on continue. And then click on confirm cancel. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. You are back to Dropbox Basic. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!